Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this little adapter that makes my life so much easier. This is the Apple Auxiliary to Lightning adapter. You can use this adapter to connect your regular auxiliary headphones to your iPhone if it has just a lightning port. And my favorite part about it is that it stays put. So as you can see, even if you tug a little bit on it, it doesn't come off. So it really kind of just becomes part of the headphones. And I like it because you can still use all the commands from the headphones. You still can use all the volume buttons. You can still talk into the mic. So I think this is such an important adapter to add to your cables. It will really make your life a lot simpler and easier. And that is my point of view.